We work really hard to please everyone, and we just received some fantastic feedback from a happy reviewer, telling us what a great job we did, and now we're happy to share it with you. When someone is this happy, it usually leads to a repeat visit with us. And that's what motivates our staff and team to serve you better. We strive hard to achieve great reviews like this. It's inspiring, and anyone who reads 5-star reviews is wise, because we stand behind our guarantee of 5-star service. So let us put our thousands of hours of dedication, experience and 5-star service to work for you today. We'd love the opportunity to earn a great review from you too. Thanks for watching. We look forward to working with you. Contact us today at the number on your screen. Have a great day.